let's get into it. Hey, thank you guys again for being here. So when you saw the inside of the what's in your studio video, I had some different lighting setup, scenario setup. But today I want to show you a simple way. Yes, you can have this inside your studio to maximize your room that you need in order for you to do what you want to do. I'm telling you, professional lighting, professional looks, it can happen anywhere that you feel. I'm just trying to make sure you guys understand that you don't have to spend so much money on something if you have the resources and the space to do it yourself. So please do. People will come. They will come. So let me talk to you about what's happening. This space, this white space here, is approximately 10 feet from the black curtain all the way to the edge here. It's 10 feet from the wall's edge to this edge is approximately 7.5 feet. And I still have another whole probably 12 feet, if not more, probably 15 feet of space from that corner all the way to here. So it's a lot of space in here, and where I'm standing. Trust me, I'm a big guy. You can see me in the mirror, 5.5. I can fit in here. I have fit about 20 people in here at once before, so it works. It's a beautiful space for us to do what we need to do. Now, my amazing model over here is always a true charge for me. So I'm gonna talk about the set and what we're doing. One of the first things, safety things I do, I always have my camera stationary on something that is safe. And this is my tripod, and it's a safe tripod. It's wheeled. That means if someone bumps into it, it'll roll instead of falling over. And it's very heavy. It's weighted down with the tripod stand there. It helps at the end, so you're not having too many worries about that coming to bear. I have a latchkey support that's on mine. You know, instead of the turn, mine is a single release latchkey, which I really love. And what I do is I never put my camera directly on the floor or on top of anything when I take it off camera, unless it is right next to me and I have my rollaway valet there, but I will have it in a box on top of there. So this is the box I will put on the floor, and I'll put my camera inside this box. I'll be sitting here to do the shots because I'll be facing this way to do the shots. So I'll be sitting here. So, but my camera will be right here. It's tethered, so it's a trip hazard. So I don't want any distance between the floor and my camera lens at all. I did that once. I had some huge stage boxes, and I had my camera basically where the distance from the chair to the floor, and I tripped over the tethering cable and broke my lens. So I understood, and it cost me. The repair was like $400. The lens itself is a $2,000 lens. So do I do the repair? Yes, absolutely. Instead of buying a new lens, and it still works amazing. So not that lens. It's one of my prime lenses. So so in safekeeping, please do be safe. Don't trust it. Don't trust good habits. Don't trust bad habits. Just do it to be safe. And I share with you guys a lot of space saving scenarios as well. These lights are not on. I have a light over here by the charging station that's just basically lighting up this entire space, besides my camera lights that's over there and this light that's on right here, okay, which is a bare bulb, and we're going to talk about that soon. But this is about the safetyness of the studio before we talk about the shoot. Now, I shared this on my other video too about this amazing contraption I built. Now, this is very light wood. It's a basic trim wood. I took some bolts, so single bolts. The doors already have holes in them, so you don't have to screw. You just basically put the bolt in, put the screw in, drill. You have to drill holes in here, measure it, drill holes, and you basically you don't have to cut this. Get it as it is. You don't have to cut. And then you can drill on this one. Drill a hole for this one and drill a hole in the wood only. and then put your screws in, and you basically have some brackets. And I still have an extra one I can put here, and I have an extra one I can put down there if I want to. But right now, I'm okay with that. With safety, for me, yes, I can lift this whole door with these on it, these two on it, and some maybe a couple of light ones, but I will not lift it with this on it. Okay, this guy is pretty heavy, so safekeeping, I will detach this one to raise it up to let my clients in, and once it goes down, I'll just clamp it back in, and it's out of the way. So, and you met the bike, right? So you met the bike in the last video. This is his home, like I said, right here. So you see how much space I still have to keep everything compact, and still have some of my toys that I want to have here. And I bought this big bad boy, for a birthday last year. And I tricked it out and got some new stuff for it, my pegs and everything. It's a big boy, young boy bike. So it's a huge bike for big people like me. So, but as we're looking at these things, even a light like this light is warm to the touch. I mean, cool to the touch as well for safekeepings, okay? So just to keep that in mind. And these lights here, that's all I need to light my studio when I need that extra ambient light when I'm doing videos. These are my 3-panel lights. These are larger ones I have. And I have a set of panel lights over here for my headshots, and these are smaller ones, and it's great for headshots over here. So I don't have to change anything out. I just set it up, turn them on, and they're ready to go. So, but for safekeeping, please do be okay with having everything on wheels, and be okay with creating space, and be okay with utilizing the things you already have to make sure your shot goes well. Well, that's about it, man. I appreciate you guys hanging out with me again. I'll give you another little insight to the studio, so appreciate you guys. And if you want more tips, please do. This is the channel to be on. My name is Antoine Washington. Again, I appreciate you guys for hanging out with me. Wow, that was a lot, huh? So I appreciate it again. Listen, all you have to do is like and subscribe, and you'll see videos like this and more. We'll be going step by step using these things that you saw today. So please do like and subscribe and follow and track with me. We're working this thing out. I built this out so we can talk about photography, so we can make mistakes, so we can create new ways of thinking. This is the channel you want to be on. So please do like and subscribe, and I'd love to hear from you. Please, so you leave a message. You can get on my website, AntoinePhotos.com, and I look forward to talking to you guys soon. Up until then, keep shining and grinding, man. I'm out, baby. I'm out.